Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. COB LED light, the model PALC 4A3 from Parkside. Two different designs, same specs. So let's open the boxes to find out more about this product. Included we have 4 and 4 batteries. Both are working independently using 4 2A batteries each unit with a runtime of about 5 hours at maximum brightness. The COB light, adjustable bracket. It can stand just like that, find the right position, soft elements, and at the front, same in here, adjustable, with a handle, the COB light, the reflector, the button. Offers 3 settings: maximum brightness 100%, energy saving mode 50% and a flashlight mode. Both are providing 500 lumens at full brightness, ensuring adequate illumination of tasks. Emits light at color temperature of 6500 K, providing a cool white light suitable for work environments. To install the batteries, we need to remove the back cover. I need a screwdriver. Silicone rubber around. Features a splash-proof housing with an IP44 rating, making it suitable for use in various conditions. Same in here, silicone rubber, a practical handle and a foldable stand, allowing for easy placement or hanging as needed. It has a durable design, I like that, with a price only €5 and €5. 100%, 50%, and flashing, and off. Same in here, 100%, 50%, and flashing. Let's see how it looks at the night. Who is it for? DIY enthusiasts, perfect for home improvement projects and repairs, outdoor enthusiasts, ideal for camping, fishing and other outdoor activities, general handyman, a versatile tool for various tasks around the house or workshop, home repairs, provide bright illumination for repairs and maintenance tasks, workshop, ensure optimal lighting for detailed work in workshops, emergency lighting, serve as a reliable light source during power outages, or as an emergency light for your car, motorcycle, bike or electric scooter. And that's the Parkside COB LED light, a compact, bright and efficient lighting solution that packs a punch. A reliable light at an affordable price, making it an eco-friendly choice. Whether you are working indoors or outdoors, its high-intensity COB LED technology ensures you've got clear, focused lighting wherever you need it. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool reviews, product demos and DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay bright, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video.